Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Or welcome back to the YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to do some extended testing on the G1000 arcade machine. We're going to try some Super Famicom. But first, let's do the Donkey Kong dance. We are going to test out the Super Nintendo. We gonna like. Let's go. Let's play some games. Because you gonna like it, yeah. Alright, there's no weird stuff going around with the sound, like in previous portable systems. Okay, I need to search my buttons. Oh yeah. Ah, there it is. Oh damn. Okay, all the buttons are here. This is, by the way, an FX game, Mega Man X3. Should be running just fine. Yeah.
Round one, fight!
You can see it's not running perfect. It's playable. Yeah, I know, but I can't. Yeah, it was. Oh, you can hear this little frame drop, but it's still playable. So for the people who are asking, no, this game is not perfect at all. So yeah people, for the final conclusion regarding the Super Famicom and Super NES testing. The emulation is pretty decent on the device. If you look at the previous models, that was pretty damn horrible. It's not perfect. As you may maybe notice, there are some problems with the FX game like Josie Island number 2. But there are some games that are just playable that have official FX chips. So this is what you're going to get. But thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that little bell. And if you're into gaming, don't forget to check out the Wicked Gaming channel. Of course, the CPU knew that he needed to do that.